Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be our empty house tour that I've been telling you guys about. We're going to get right into it, but I just want to say that we're so grateful for this opportunity, and also a shout out to Jonas's family and Jonas for putting so much work into this house, and he's filming me right now, and we're going to go into the front door. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and if I can open the door. Okay, so this is the entryway. We have like the really high ceilings in here. This is the front door. We chose a black front door just kind of to have like a contrast in here. And we have like the transom window, that's what you call it. And this is the light fixture we chose. It is from Shades of Light. Most of our light fixtures are from Shades of Light, and I'm gonna try to have as much stuff as I possibly can linked down below. This flooring is, what's it called? Dusk cherry. I think we got this at Home Depot or Lowe's. And then right here in the entrance, the first room that you walk in that's on your left is Jonas's office. And this room is black walls with this like wood ceiling. These are pallet boards. And we just thought it would be kind of cool to have like this touch and the contrast with the white trim. And that's that room. Oh, my goodness, you should this. There's also a closet in here. Since this is going to be an office, this is kind of like a longer shelf for a printer. I love this and how open and big it is. It's so beautiful. This is the fireplace, which we're going to put some stain on here to match this because that bugs me. But other than that, I actually whitewashed this myself and I really like how it turned out. I love the two windows on either side of the fireplace, and you can turn the ceilings too. And we have tall ceilings throughout this whole area here in the main area. And then when you turn around, here's the kitchen, which is one of my favorite places. I love this massive island. I don't know if you can tell how big this is. These countertops are actually epoxy, so they look like they're like marble, but it's way more affordable to do this epoxy look, and I really like how they turned out. We might replace them in the future, but this is what they look like right now. We have like the big white farmer sink, which is like my favorite. I'm so excited to use this. We wanted to have a wood island to add like a pop and then have it contrast with the white cabinets. The cabinets and all of the trim in here is alabaster by Sherwin-Williams, and like I said, I'm going to try to leave paint colors and fixtures and stuff down below. The wall color is origami white, also by Sherwin-Williams, I believe. And then this is where the fridge goes. We just put this stove in last night, so it still needs to be cleaned, but right over here off of the kitchen, you have the pantry. I love this pantry. I feel like it's really good size, and when we were designing the house, we chose to put this window here and then a pocket door so that we could let extra natural light into the house, since there's not really any windows on the front of the house, since we have Jonas's office right there in the main area. So I really like that we put this window here because I feel like in the morning especially it lets in a lot of natural light. And then like I said, we have this pocket door here. And I kind of forgot to mention this, but one of my favorite things in this kitchen is the hood, and then also the crown on top of the cabinets. I just think it's so beautiful, and like, I don't know, I feel like it looks really good with the high ceilings in here. We have, as you can see, very many outlets back here, so we'll never run out, and that's like that for the whole house. We have the dining room. It kind of just like juts out into this space because the rest of that is more like a big open square. This light fixture, I don't know if it's kind of dark in here. Whoops. This light fixture is also from Shades of Light. And yeah, like I said, the paint colors, like for the trim and the walls, are throughout the whole house besides Jonas's office that is black. I feel like this is a pretty good size dining room for us because our table isn't super big. And then out here, this is like a French door, or just like doors that are going to go out to a deck that we're going to build probably in the spring. For now, we just have a railing here because we just didn't get to doing that before the house was done. So, but I guess we'll go over into the master area now. Let's go in here first. So this is the master bedroom. I don't know how big it looks on camera. It's not super big, but it's big enough for us. All that's going to be here really is our bed, because we have like a walk-in closet over there. And then here we have like this sliding barn door, and I feel like this is kind of the most like modern farmhouse touch that we have in this house, because I wanted that kind of look somewhat, but I didn't want it to be too farmhouse. And I feel like this adds a touch, but it's not too much. In here we have the master bathroom. This is a really, really big bathroom, way bigger than we would ever need, but when we kind of designed this, we just wanted a really big master section of the house. This shower is going to get like a glass half wall that hasn't come in yet. Hopefully that will be in soon, but I wanted to do this back black wall to add like a contrast, because in a way I wanted a black shower, but I didn't really want to commit to a fully black shower since everything else in here is kind of white. But we chose the gold or brushed brass fixtures, and then we also have some black fixtures. And then this big tub, I'm obsessed with this tub. I think this one is actually from Home Depot. We ordered one on Amazon and it got lost in the mail, believe it or not. So we just got this one, and then we got this fixture off of Amazon. Most of our fixtures are off of Amazon, but I'll try to link other ones from other places too. And then this is the Vanity. I chose like this blue. This is, what's it called, dockside blue from Sherwin-Williams too. Most of our paint colors are from Sherwin-Williams. I just wanted something a little bit different in here, and I really liked this light kind of dusky blue color. I didn't want it to be all white, I guess. These faucets are going to get switched out because they don't actually match with the rest of the brass or gold stuff in here, but our other ones that we got were incompatible, so we have to get new ones later. But these light fixtures are also from Shades of Light. Like I said, most of ours are. The mirrors are from Amazon. Really wanted to do black mirrors, but also add like some gold fixtures in here. Right here, I forgot to show, this is the toilet room. I love this. It's just so cool to me. And we have like another pocket door here to close it off. And then in here we have the closet, master closet, and this feels so big to me compared to what I'm used to. We have like a his and her side, so we have plenty of space in here for like clothes and stuff, so we won't have to put dressers in our bedroom, which will help a lot with space. And then coming back out here, out of the master, I guess we'll go to this front entrance area. Here we have, like, this is when you walk in from the garage door. I'm not going to show you the garage because it's a mess. But this is like the entrance into here from the garage, and then we have like this place for hooks. I have my coat there, and then we have like a little like mud bench. So this is kind of like the mud room. It's just like a small entrance area. And then this right here, when you walk in the door, is the powder room. So this is like the third small bathroom. I guess we're gonna turn that light on. I love that mirror that we chose. I can't remember where that's from, but I'll try to find it. And then the light fixture as well. And then right over here on the other end, we have a laundry room. There's just one sticker there right now because we were trying that out. We're gonna do this wall with those stickers, just kind of like evenly space them, kind of like an accent wall. The washer and dryer will go here. And then this is like the counter space. I love this deep black sink. It's kind of dirty right now because we were using it to clean, but I also love the hardware on these cabinets. I got this from Etsy. The other hardware is all from Amazon, I think. But then we just have like the kind of kitchen style faucet in here because we have a deep sink and it goes back into sprayer. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is kind of like a decently small room, but I feel like it's really big for a laundry room for us. I'm not used to having laundry room, so then we'll walk to the other end of the house. And then we walk over here. We have a little hallway. We have 2 extra bedrooms, and these bedrooms have carpet in them just because that was easier. I actually completely forgot to mention over in the master closet that the reason there's green padding on the floor is because the carpet isn't done because they ordered the wrong size. So that's why there's green padding on the floor over there, and it's gonna get done probably next week. But this is like the main bathroom, so this is the third bathroom, and we just chose the kind of wood look cabinets to match the island in the kitchen. And I got this black hardware on Etsy. We just did the black faucet like we did in the powder room, and then gold mirror and a black light fixture, which is also from Shades of Light. All of these like towel and toilet paper things are from Amazon. And then this is just a standard tub with black fixtures. And then behind this door here, it's kind of tight, but we did add a small little linen closet in here just for extra space because we have like no closets in our other house. And then if you come back out into the hallway, we also have a coat closet here and another linen closet right here. And then this is the front room, which is going to be like kind of like my office slash filming room slash beauty room. I have a rod up there because I'm going to hang a curtain on this window. And these are pretty small rooms, but it's big enough. And then we have a closet in each bedroom, obviously. I really like these kind of like French doors. So much better than like the sliding closet doors. Pretty decent sized closet. I just think they look a lot better. And then if you walk back down into the hallway, then this is the other extra room. And this is going to be like the actual guest room. We have a bed and like furniture and stuff we're going to put in here. And the closet is the same. We have blinds on these windows instead of curtains like the other one. And then we have these fans in both of the rooms. I really like those. And then I guess what's left to show. Is that everything? I guess that's everything, guys. That is our empty house tour. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned subscribe down below and stay tuned for more content. I'm going to do like home style content and I'm super excited about that. So like I said, don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram if you want to. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I just put this stove in last night so it's